Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are group 3 from Fundamental of Chemistry, and today we are here with me, Nuralifia, Putri Sugiyarto, with student ID of 2100876, and there is Hilda Oktapiani.
Hello everyone, my name is Hilda Oktapiani and my student ID is 2109638.
And next we have Elfrida.
Hello everyone, my name is Elfrida Nurul Fazri with the student ID 2109710.
And the last but not least, we have Ragil.
Hello everyone, my name is Ragil Dwikesuma and my student ID is 2110058.
Alright, and now for today's video, we want to take a deeper look on Virtual Lab, the standardization of sodium hydroxide with KHP solution in acid-base titration. And now we're gonna learn about what's the objective of today's video that will be presented by Ragil.
Okay, so the objective, there is three. First, to demonstrate the basic laboratory technique of titration. Second, to learn to calculate molarity based on titration. Third, to determine the concentration and pH of sodium hydroxide.
Okay, for the materials, there is solution. There are 1 molar of sodium hydroxide and then 0.500 molar of potassium hydrogen phthalate, and then the last is 0.1 liter of phenolphthalein. For the apparatuses will be presented by Elfrida.
Okay, for this experiment, we use two apparatuses. First one is the burette, and the second one is the beaker.
So, we're gonna go to the experiment, guys.
Okay, first, what the first, guys?
First is sodium hydroxide.
Okay, we're gonna put the sodium hydroxide to the burette.
Yep.
Oh, wait.
It's
it is. Okay, how much?
So for the first step, after we prepare all of the material or solution and the apparatuses, we have to put the sodium hydroxide inside the burette for 50 milliliter.
Okay, 50 milliliter for max.
next we
Okay, next, I think we should to move the KHP to the beaker, right?
yeah.
The next step is to put the KHP of into a 250 milliliter beaker.
How much the KHP?
25 milliliter.
Okay, 25 milliliter full. And then what next, guys?
Add the panel, yeah.
To the baker?
Add the phenolphthalein.
Yeah.
To the baker, okay.
We're gonna mix it with the KHP for 0.3 milliliter.
Okay, 0.3. 4. So, what's the next step?
The KHP Solution.
Mix the burette to the baker.
Okay. Oh, wait.
Next, we have to titrate small volumes, like 0.5 milliliter or less of sodium hydroxide from the burette into the KHP solution until a slight color change appears.
Okay, wait a
Yeah.
Wait a second, guys. It didn't work. Doesn't work. Why?
Pull it down, I think. Go down, down.
Okay.
Nah.
So, what the
We
next?
have to, I think we have to use the realistic
Okay.
and have to pull it slowly until the color appears.
Press.
Now we have observed on the workbench 1, workbench 2, and workbench 3. And now we're gonna see the result and the data analysis and conclusion on the next slide. Now that's all from us. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Waalaikumsalam.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.